Hello everyone. I am hope I am audible to you all. Good
Yes.
and the very best morning to everyone. Indeed, it is great pleasure for me to extend on behalf of COSMA board warm welcome to all enthusiastic members for showing up to this 7th Zoom meeting. But though world is facing unprecedented, difficult and challenging time due to COVID-19, but we at COSMA busy learning new things, having brainstorming discussions on how to make COSMA more relevant and useful to its members. It all started with one meeting on 29th March, 4 meetings in April, plus one webinar by Modutech and Asta. In May, one board meeting, one Zoom meeting, and one webinar by SK Formulations have already taken place. Huge thanks to all speakers, participants, and Vishal Sanghvi of R. Sanghvi Mercantile Private Limited for relentlessly and continuously hosting Zoom meeting for COSMA. Also, special thanks to Anand Jayawant for steering all these meetings with new and relevant subjects. You all know today's topic is sharing and supporting our smaller and special application panel builders by big panel builders. All your thoughts and views are very important for this subject and meeting. Request everyone to take active participation in the meeting. Lastly, I wish to make one announcement here. On 13th May at 11 a.m., we have a webinar from Iconic Infotech on estimation and design of switchboard software. Request everyone to attend and take benefits of it. Details of it are already shared on the COSMA WhatsApp group. Ashok Kushwaha, you are there, na?
Yes,
So
sir. Good morning. I am there.
He is the gentleman who is going to conduct that seminar for us.
Okay.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, Ashok.
Request you all to please join.
I request everybody to take benefit of the same. One my last and humble appeal and request to everyone to take responsibility of making COSMA as a great association and strengthen its membership base. Wishing all the best for the meeting. With this, I now request Anand Jayawant to take forward the meeting. Thank you, Anandji.
Hello, I request Sriram for today's innovative subject about how we can join hands together and grow ourselves. And let us begin with Sriram's lecture. And after that lecture, first question will be asked by Mr. Uday Desai about his comments, pros and cons, and whatever he wants to say. First will be started by Mr. Uday Desai. Then each and every member will have their own thoughts. This speech may not be foolproof, but all the brains, if we come together, this main idea, core idea we have to take it forward and put some efforts to do something on this particular principle and idea. Thank you. Now, Sriram, please continue.
I'm audible, sir?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. So, hi friends, very good morning and a warm greetings from the team COSMA. First of all, let me tell you, this is not a lecture, neither a talk. It is just straight drive of thoughts from the heart. ये समझ लीजिए आप, ये है दिल की बात, नहीं मन की बात नहीं, मैं दिल की बात बोल रहा हूँ. और ये दिल की बात जिनसे होती है जो दिल के पास रहते हैं. सो ये कॉस्मो फैमिली के लिए हम अपने थॉट्स को शेयर करना चाहते हैं, जहाँ पे अपने इंडस्ट्री के बड़े स्टालवर्ट अशोक गोयल जी है, भुत्ता साहब है, और अपने सतीश भाई है, और बाकी विजय सहायता जी और जैसे बड़े बड़े लोग हैं. तो उनके सामने न टॉक दे सकते हैं, न उनके सामने कुछ लेक्चर देने की अपनी पात्रता है नहीं. तो जो अपने दिल की बात है वो कहते हैं. कुछ बुरा बुला कुछ गलत हो गया तो आप करेक्ट कर सकते हैं. और इसके साथ ही एक शुरुआत करता हूँ छोटी सी. एक छोटा सा रिव्यू लेता हूँ आज की तारीख का. आज 1.5 से 2 महीना हो गया है. द होल वर्ल्ड इज अंडर एक्लिप्स, दैट इज corona eclipse. This is the first time that eclipse is not to some part of the world, but it is whole world is under it. Yes, we are coming out we are coming out from the lockdown, but the अब तक ये धोखा खलास हुआ नहीं है. Risk is still there. And when a lot of laborers are living from Maharashtra and going to the individual states, one has to be more cautious from the day one. So it's a global scenario की हम लोग बात करेंगे तो many industries are planning to shut their China plants and start new plants nearby. Yes, India, of course, is a major country would like to take this advantage. But अगर आपने review देखा होगा, तो we are not still at the top. We are at the third place. Vietnam, a small country, of course. Yes, it is a communist country. Vietnam is at number 1, followed by Thailand and followed by India. So it is a challenge for a country as well as an individual also. अगर हम लोग अभी कल हम लोग ने लास्ट सेमिनार में देखा, वेबिनार में, that Lantec has started. Then our Mr. Virendra Singh, he has also started from Assam, and we, as from the team Cosma, congratulate them and बधाइयाँ देते हैं उनको आगे की तरफ जाने के लिए, और बाकी लोग भी जल्दी से इसमें बाहर निकलेंगे, ये पूरी हमारी आशा है. नाउ अगर मैं अभी बात कर रहा हूँ, ये डायरेक्ट बात कर रहा हूँ विदाउट एनी स्क्रिप्ट, तो किधर अटक गया, गलत हो गया, तो ये समझ लीजिए कि नेटवर्क का इशू है. ओके, तो कमिंग टू द पॉइंट, this is somewhat a management talk, and being a management talk, I can just tell you the 2 stories. First story, ये अपनी एक छोटी स्टोरी है, एक ओशन की स्टोरी है. ओशन में big fishes are there, and big fishes छोटे फिशेस को खा जाते हैं. छोटे मछली जो रहती है तो उनको सोचना पड़ता है कि क्या करे. हर एक का शेप अलग रहता है, हर एक की खासियत अलग रहती है. Their characteristics are different. So but they come together. One is a yellow color, many are of yellow color, one is a red color, one is a black color. So they plan an idea. They form a shape of a fish. The red color fish takes the position of an eye. The dark black fish take the position of the tail, and they together forms a size of a big fish. और इनको जब बड़ी फिश मछली दिखती है तो it gets frightened और वो खुद ही यहाँ से निकल जाती है. एक छोटी सी स्टोरी है ये. और ये दूसरी स्टोरी है अपनी इंडस्ट्री की है. हाँ, अपने इंटरेस्टिंग इंडस्ट्री की स्टोरी है ये. दिस इज ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री. ऑटोमोबाइल का 2 जायंट नेम. फर्स्ट इज मारुति, नो डाउट नंबर 1 in the country with 56% market share. Second is Toyota, though it is 15 to 20% market share, but its cars are very well appreciated. दोनों की अपनी अपनी strong points अलग अलग है. Maruti, you of course are aware, they are the masters in the economy car and luxury car, but they are not so great in SUV segment. And Toyota, on the other hand, they tried in the economy one, but they couldn't succeed to that level. And they have got their what do you call kings like Fortuner, Crista, and all that thing, which are in the upper level. But they have come together. They have come together, and they have not only shared the basic parts or basic components, but they have shared the total manufacturing product. Yes, I'm saying the total manufacturing product. Earlier, yes, it is used to be that a same manufacturer was supplier of a different, you can say, competitors of the cars. But now, the first time it has happened that the product of one competitor is selling on the platform of the other competitor. So you are of course aware Maruti Baleno, which is of course a good car in a small car segment. The same car is offered by Toyota. Toyota names it Glanza. Yes, what Toyota has done it, that it has some value addition to it, and in the service package it has given something more. I think Maruti is given 2 years or 1.5 years warranty or 20,000 kilometers guarantee and warranty. The Toyota is offering a 5 years warranty and 50,000 kilometer or 1 lakh kilometer warranty, manufactured by product by Maruti, and still it is able to maintain and it is able to sell Glanza. I was also worried by इसे लेगा कौन जो मारुति खुद बना रही है, but this is the today's scenario. So if we club the moral of the two stories, then we will come to our आज का agenda. Yes, we can combine ourselves and we can deliver a best product. May not be that the same product is you can say shared. We can share the orders. So now we will move to our industry. We will take a small case study and see how it can be workable. Suppose there is a big inquiry in the market by a industrial Indian giant or industrial giant such as L&T Infra. Let us say L&T Infra. It is executing a big job of petroleum or petrochemical industry, say in Oman oil or Oman air something. And it has, so since the job is big, it has a variety of panels are required. Of course, you are aware from the main LT panels to the specialized panels. So the complete package is divided in the different 5 categories. And it has got a different values of each category. So suppose it is divided in the 5 packages. Package 1 is a PCC panel. Say it is a 15 crores package. Package 2 is a conventional MCC panels, which can be in the tune of 10 crores. Package 3 is a intelligent MCC panels, where it is directly connected by computer and taken care. That can be of a 15 crores value. Package 4 is a DJ synchronizing panels. That can be in the tune of 5-6 crores. And last is a flame-proof DBs, which are required in the industry, which can be in a tune of 5 crores. So total, if you make, it will be a package, all package of 50 crores total. So it is a big inquiry in the market. And now consider a panel builder who is doing regular job of L&T Infra. Say I name it as a Seismic. So Seismic is a panel builder who is doing a regular job of L&T Infra. He is aware of L&T's style of working. He is familiar with the terms, conditions, procedures, expectations, and L&T purchase team is also in favor of him. Now, Seismic, being a panel builder, is expertise in PCC segment and conventional MCC segment. The total order of a 50 crores is to be executed, suppose in 3 to 4 months time. So now the Seismic has got capacity to execute a PCC panels, say worth 15 crores, and conventional MCC panels worth say 10 crores. So 25 crores business in 4 months time. But he is not that great in the other 3 packages. So here is a solution for him. Now Seismic, being a Cosma panel builder family, will share inquiry, basic inquiry without the client name on the Cosma cluster. He will share the inquiry of intelligent MCC, DG synchronizing panel, and flame-proof DBs on the Cosma cluster platform with all technical specifications. Now he can also recommend or say what the price range is in between or expected range. In COSPA cluster panel family, panel builder X, who is in specialized in intelligent MCC panel, and can be, I mean, not overburdened or can take the job, will approach him. He can give his best rate, and suppose he can execute the same job of 9 crores. So he will offload the intelligent MCC panel to X, panel builder X, at say 9 CR. Similarly, a panel builder Y, who is also on the COSMA cluster, who is expert in the DG synchronizing, will negotiate perhaps with a seismic, and he can finalize the job with 4.2 crores. And when I say finalize, it means that it is the same technical specifications and same quality standards are maintained. And the job can be delivered within the same stipulated time. Similarly, a panel company Z, who is a master in flame-proof DBs, they can do the job with 4.5 crores. So Seismic has now offloaded the 3 packages to panel builder X, Y, and Z, and he has got a better offers and a good quality of execution by all of them. So after the 3 months, when the payment terms of all the parties have been fulfilled, what we will see. So after the order completion and successful commissioning, yes, L&T team will be happy. L&T team will be happy as they had issued an order to a single firm, a single party. There was a single point of contact, a single point of correspondence, and single point of responsibility, and a single point of service. Yes, Seismic is also happy because it has not executed the job in his own domain, that is a PCC and conventional MCC, but he also executed the job with margin covered and successfully for intelligent MCC, DG synchronizing, and flame-proof job. Then the panel builders X, Y, Z, they are also happy because they have executed the jobs in their favorite domains with very ease and without any great R&D or trial and error involved. Now, the COSMA is also happy because its members are doing great, and we will be also happy if Seismic will throw party for all COSMA members. So this is the basic idea which I have told you. Of course, we will have a detailed discussion with your answers, question and answer later on. But this is the basic idea and the basic platform on which we can develop a COSMA cluster. Now, you say it is a new idea or it is an innovative idea, but it is not an innovative idea. Let me tell you very frankly, it is not an innovative idea. The same idea has been followed by different industries. I will tell you how they have done it. So, but before that, just want to point out the few things. So, the world is going towards specialization and expecting expertise in the respective domains. New electronic inventions and applied technologies is making industry to manufacture solution-based system panels. Now, there are many areas or there are many specialized type of panels requirements, which I just point out a few ones. One is embedded system control panels. Second, energy monitoring and control distribution panels. Of course, DG control panels. Then we are many people are in our PLC and HMI sector. Then pneumatic and hydraulic system control panels. Again, the new thing which is right now doing great is hospital equipment specialized panels, soft starter panels, fire panels, UPS control panels, charging station electric panels, solar panels, windmill panels, and other non-conventional energy segment panels. Now, let us see in which industries the same system has been followed, perhaps in a different context. Of course, the first thing is the medical industry. When you go to the any specialized doctor with a MD degree, or even if you are a family doctor with some problem, he just first give his preliminary medicine. When you go there again, he recommends to a MD doctor. That MD doctor sent ask for your some report. He sent to the special MD path. MD path says to you to the MD radiologist. Then one doctor to one doctor, one doctor to one doctor. At least you climb the steps of 7 to 8 doctors to get your problem clear. This is nothing but a cluster. Yes, I am very much aware that there is a cut involved in this practice. But we, as Cosmo, of course, we don't has such a malpractice approval. We don't expect the things such of a cut practice to happen. But this is nothing but a cluster. Second example is in software, or we can say IT industries. When a big software takes an order of a software of a complete factory or complete corporate, it has got again different packages. Suppose a corporate has got a factory, it has got its own vehicles, it has got its own logistic, it has got its own marketing. So what the IT company or big IT company does is same thing. The persons or the companies which are better in the, or which are specialized in the factory software, manufacturing software, they apportion a part to manufacturing software. Which are better in the logistics, the part is given to the logistic expert, similarly marketing expert. And what they do, they just make a good synchronization of all the 4 different IT or a software, what you can say, solutions or programs. Now, third thing is a automobile, which I already told you in the beginning. And last is a leather industry. When one party does the design, other party makes a manufacturing, and both as together do the export. Textile industry also the same thing is there. Design people are different, approval people are different, the manufacturing people are different. They make a combine and execute the job. Same with the diamond industry. And last, a realty business. You might have seen when in metros like Mumbai, perhaps in Bangalore, when the land is bigger, say suppose in the tune of 50 acres and so on, it is generally not possible for a single giant, corporate even giant, to execute the order or take the award and the tender. So it's oftenly observed that 2 to 3 big houses of a realty industry, so they might have been competitors in the last project, but they come together, make a JV, execute the shop, and move away with the profit share. So similarly, in line of this, the 3-4 panel builders can come together in bracket with leaving their own egos and with keeping their interests intact, keeping their own quality standards intact, their own procedures intact, and sharing the quality standards, procedures, costing and they can execute a big project successfully. And that will be in line with the COSMA cluster and today's webinar. Hope the idea is I have been able to make it clear, and hope it will be a successful in future. Again, you can be one more idea after that can be a sub cluster where a 3 to 4 different panel builders can form a subgroup and take the order, in which, as I said, different groups in involved. So this was the basically main idea, and I think we are now open for any questions, answers, or any clarification. Over to
Uday bhai. Uday Desai ji, you are the first person.
Uday Desai, sir.
asked any- Yeah. Uday ji, you have to unmute from your end. You are unmuted from here. Still it is muted. No. Uday bhai, cannot hear you.
Am I audible?
Yeah, now audible.
Okay, okay. Very good morning, all of you. Thank you, Mr. Sriram Joshi. This is a very good example. You have given a lot of other industries. I am giving you a small, our electrical industry example only start with. In a Bangalore, the Kirloskar Electric Company was a big company in early days. Actually, in they set up a wonderful factory was in Bangalore, which they used to manufacturing motors and alternators, everything. They used to give it to all subcontract works to many people. They have developed good subcontractors, manufacturing of this thing, the motor stators, core, and winding, giving it to some other people actually. In that fashion, finally they used to get the end product, the motor or alternator. Somebody used to manufacturing AVRs. Like that, they are in the throughout Bangalore. They have developed the huge subcontract business and small factories actually. The wonderful concept was there actually. Unfortunately, the Kirloskar company has closed actually in the Bangalore actually. So now the time has come in our COSMA panel builders. See, we have to develop in the same fashion. We have to grow together and live together. That is the concept of what Mr. Sriram Joshi has told us. And the same thing we have to follow, and with a better understanding with all of us, and we have to keep our all egos aside and develop good the panel builder, the small panel. We have to offload all the works to this thing, who are all expertising their domain, like what Sriram told, maybe a synchronizing, maybe a motor control centers, maybe a PLC panels, maybe a flame-proof panels. Like that, we have to select the person expertise in the domain, and we have to offload their our works to other panel builders. See, the first and foremost is, who are all the big panel builders, they should offload their works to the small panel builders and start with the small panels only. Maybe a small DBs, maybe a wall mounting DBs, maybe a small the floor panel, something like lighting DBs. In that fashion, they should start. Hello.
Echo is coming.
Yes,
Yeah, it's okay
is
now.
coming.
Yeah, now it's okay, sir.
They start with in that fashion actually to develop the small builders, and that is a concept. The begin with that actually, which really helps to the small panel builders, so that he can the first is he can match with their all the qualities and this thing, the design aspect, everything. There are many more this thing, and have the better understanding with both the parties, and the better understanding the payment terms issues. There are many this thing, and the one can monitor completely the project actually, who is the second party is executing, then he should have a commitment also, and the properly he should not take other jobs unless until this works get the completes. So these are all the things actually which helps small panel builders. He can grow very in a very step by step actually, and it will help the big panel builders also to make a more turnover also and scale up his business also, and simultaneously the small panel builder also start the growing, and whatever the technology also and the knowledge also, the share among the both the two peoples or three peoples, and it is a kind of the helping all the panel builders. That is my view actually. And the subcontracting, there are so many ways also. Subcontracting in the sense he can give the entire work to the small panel builder, including even the fabrication and the switchgear completely he should deliver to the site actually, or his premises, or else only he can do the fabrication and wiring, bus bar, all this thing, the accessories work actually. The core material will be supplied by the primary the panel builder actually. In that way also he can think of this thing, the facilities actually. And there are so many ways actually wherein we can sing, and the quality is a very utmost the priority actually. And what the primary the panel builder, the expecting the quality, he should also have the same quality, the same design as per this thing, and keeping in mind that there should not be any issues in the manufacturing the process actually. And so this really helps to all the small panel builders and grow all together. That is the basic idea behind this actually, this the subcontracting to the small panel builders, or any this thing equal panel builder, maybe the specialization also, domain specialization. This is how we should start with the initially the work actually. This is my view actually. Anybody wants to share their thoughts, they can share their thoughts.
I request Govindarajan to take forward. Govindarajan ji.
Oh,
You
thank you.
have,
Thank you so much.
you are writing something on the chat box. Please continue. Instead of writing there, you can directly one-to-one, you can have it.
Okay. See, basically, when handling these big projects, there are a number of commercial and legal issues. So, asking, as Sriram suggested, asking one person to take the lead, buy from other companies, funnel it through this company, it will lead to a lot of issues. Instead, if you can make a vehicle, combine 2-3 companies and let them quote jointly for the project. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, go ahead.
Hello, you hear me?
Go ahead, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you can, you took this example of L&T. Let L&T know right in the beginning that these are the 4 companies that are trying to quote for this job. Okay, let it be transparent right from the beginning. And it is the responsibility of individual companies to fulfill their obligation in terms of delivery, price, quality, whatever. So this Seismic, or whichever name this Sriram had suggested, need not be responsible for all these issues which he knows little about. Seismic is very good in his own work. He is not so good in the other issues. But why should he take the legal responsibility of the other companies performing properly? Let the individual companies take the responsibility. Okay, so you form a group, you decide to form a group and take on a particular project. You can handle much bigger projects than what you would otherwise handle. And you also get included in projects which you were not included before because of the composition of the project. Over to you, Sanjeev.
One more the point here. In this scenario, what you have given example, the Seismic and L&T, the L&T may not be the preferring the other the panel builders to
No. They will
participate.
prefer. They will prefer because they are getting a very good deal. They are getting the special.
I would like to add something here. Would like to add what
let us
Mr.
hear
Govind
out
Rajan is
Ashok
saying.
Bhai.
What Mr. Govind Rajan is saying is absolutely correct. You can officially make a kind of a consortium, and there is an agreement for consortium. Whenever you will see that there are big road project come, there are 2-3 companies, they join together for that particular project as a consortium, and then they work together. And then internally they always make an arrangement, the responsibility, the finance cost, this, everything. And then nobody will say no. L&T have also taken many orders with some Malaysian companies for road construction. So Mr. Govind Rajan's proposal is good. Only thing is that we have a half knowledge. Let us understand it and let us try to explore the possibility of doing this kind of a consortium and offer the big project. We can go for a big project, right?
I have one more aspect to add, that there are a number of legal issues in all this. If the legal issue can be addressed by COSMA centrally, that means there is a certain way of handling this. This will be the rules on which people get together. This will be the liability. This will be the basis on which you work. Let the legal aspect be made very, very clear to all the participants, and they are bound by those legal values. You see, nobody can work the way he wants. It has to be as per those norms. Then everything is predictable.
Consortium, the agreement on consortium is only for that kind of a thing.
Exactly.
It defines the responsibility of individual company and working system. But that consortium is formed and work as a one company, so that the customer need not have to discuss with 4 companies.
Correct. So what I'm suggesting is that let COSMA do this on a trial basis. Take on one project, identify some companies. Let us forget about our individual benefits and egos and all that. Let us come together with the idea of promoting this as an idea. Let COSMA have the resources to appoint a legal person who can take care of all these issues, so that they are not done by any one company. They are done by a central agency, which is acceptable to all the participants. And the costs
I would suggest that let COSMA to invite some legal firm to give this kind of a presentation, and then later on we will see whether it is viable for us. And if it is viable, yes, then we can work for a small or bigger job together.
The only problem is COSMA will expect dinner also, no?
that I will sponsor.
Okay, thank you. Sir, can I say something?
Taking a lead will not be viable. No? How can COSMA take a lead and make commitments on behalf of others?
No. It does.
There are a lot of participants, 3, 4, 5, whatever it is.
Ashok sir,
problem will come.
No, I'm not asking COSMA to take any responsibility. I'm only asking COSMA to make to arrange for a legal team which will help the consortium, whichever consortium. Okay, and all these consortium participants pay COSMA for the fees. COSMA is not taking any responsibility.
COSMA is a platform where it is more of a information and knowledge sharing, not a business center. Correct. So let these people
COSMA
to
will not be
organize.
able to do it. If you try to do it, it will never work out. We'll just keep on talking, that's all.
Utaji, let us try to explore the possibility of doing this kind of a thing. If it is possible, fine.
See, what
there are chances, 1% chance that it may click.
See, what Sriram suggested earlier, there has to be a lead. One person takes a lead and maybe, he associates with 3-4 other people and make a group and do it. Their only problem would be at the later stage, who takes care of all the liabilities or, after sales, then the performance of the equipments and all that.
Yes, Mr. Ashok ji, आप सही कह रहे हैं. Only the one person can take the lead actually, and offload to others who are all expert in their respective domains.
Because you have not, I think you have not gone through consortium
can I
agreement. If you go for
Sanjeev.
consortium agreement, then probably you will come to know who is going to be the leader, who is going to be the follower, and what is the job responsibility which are being separated, so that all maybe 2, 3, 4 or 10 people are there. The individual's responsibility will be shared equally, and then they can make a consortium. Then based on that, they will also decide the quantum of percentage for individuals. So this is what I'm saying.
Sir,
Sanjeev, can I
something?
speak?
Suppose in
Yeah,
our
yeah,
case,
Pratapji,
somebody
please
is
go ahead.
expert in
Yeah.
or having a good feature or the infrastructure for fabrication, painting, let him share the responsibility of those kind of a thing. Somebody is expert in making the electrical design and consultancy, let them do this. So this is the kind of a job distribution that takes place when the consortium work together.
Yeah, Pratapji,
Please go
please
ahead.
go ahead.
Yeah, I am PS Talesra from Pyrotech, Udaipur. I have joined from Udaipur, and first of all, I congratulate COSMA for creating this platform of COSMA cluster platform, and I was also listening to the whole talk. So COSMA can have a task force. What I feel is they can have a task force which can have overview of legal and some technical matters also. So the task force then they can go ahead and distribute the orders to various persons who are willing and who are capable. Second thing is the whole panel industry it can be divided as per the work involved in the panel industry. Like some companies can be very good at designing. So when a very big job comes, then a lot of designing is required and a lot of other things are required. So they divide the whole thing as a part designing. So a company can design. Then the tough job is making the sheet metal parts. So company, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, Pratap, go ahead. Go ahead. Continue. Yeah, you are audible. Continue.
Okay. So the second thing is the sheet metal fabrication and the mechanical parts involved. So here also it becomes a very big headache for many companies who work only for electrical wiring and electrical design. So this part can also be taken, like the whole project. If it is say L&T project as was discussing by Mr. Sriram. So it is a 60 crore project, but the empty panels may be about 10 crores. So if good companies make the empty panels, color them, and then the whole project of 60 crores will have similar type of panels and similar type of TTA designs. The third part can be that persons who are expert in making PCC, making MCC, and making intelligent MCC or distribution synchronization panel, they can take their part and then they can integrate the whole thing. The FAT can be also done because all these big projects, they will require FAT. So FAT can be done at one place. You can arrange for FAT, you can arrange the facilities for FAT and his infrastructure. So like this, a task force which is involved at COSMA level, persons can register and also take advantage of this particular idea. The small jobs, of course, they can be distributed through COSMA with DOL starters and independent on-off push button stations and other things. So this is my viewpoint. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, Sriram bhai.
Yeah. Sir, what I had presented was just a case study, and it is not a Sriram's presentation. It is a COSMA views or a new idea development. Of course, the original idea, the original model is of Anand sir, Anand Jayawant sir. मैंने खाली उसको ड्रेप किया था, कहाँ कपड़ा कुछ डाला था, किधर कम कर दिया था, बस उतना ही है. So basically, it is a COSMA idea. So it is a new COSMA idea, and main idea is that it is a time to share time to share technology, time to share the manufacturing platform, time to share the processes, time to share the quality standards, and time to share the costings. And together we can come together and we can successfully execute the job, which perhaps as an individual capacity अपने
Yeah.
हाथ के ऊपर हो सकता है. जैसे हम लोग दही अंडे बोलते हैं, एक आदमी दही अंडे में फोड़ नहीं सकता अकेला, 4 आएंगे और 5वां चढ़ेगा तो ही फोड़ सकते हैं. That is the basic concept actually. It's a new concept in our industry as on date. And so I discussed the two models. In the first model, I gave a name as Sysmic. He's taking a lead and he making use of a Cosma cluster platform and getting the job. In the second model,
Yeah.
as I have given an example of how the 3 and 4 real estate companies make a JV, MUM, and execute the job. Similarly, 3-4 panel builders can come at a preliminary stage. They can have their own understandings. All the technical commercial terms can make it very clear, and they can form as a group and execute the job. This is the second, you can say, method or a second role model. Now, the Cosma will not come in the picture of each and every role. We would like the Cosma members to form a group, a subgroup, and do it. Cosmo is not going to do the policing work or it's a judiciary work or any other work, but it will promote such practices which are right now very seen rarely. That is the basic idea of the students talk. Am I right, sir? Satish,
Yeah,
sir?
very much,
Any expert
Shriram,
point?
very much right. Very much correct, Mr. Shriram.
Next, who one would like to add their idea?
I'd like to pitch in here by saying that.
Okay, Ramani, go ahead.
I think network issue is there.
Dealing with Dr. Reddy, somebody is dealing with somebody else like that. That fellow is taking for a task. Then whatever he is asking, component manufacturer is giving for 12 months warranty. We are giving 5 years warranty on our panel. So we are actually in a very difficult situation. So my suggestion is that let us debate, think over it. And if we can form something like this, what we can decide to do is that we optimize our resources, we reduce our risk, we reduce our, we increase our reach, we increase our capacity, and we get a slice from a large cake, which is very, very good for maybe instead of getting a very small cake in our hands. In India, the laws are complicated, so this is a difficult thing to happen. But this is one thing which I learned in that factory, that with whatever here, suppose we take New Bombay, there must be 20-25 Amada machines. The work can be done only with 10 machines. So 25 machines, 25 operators, 25 setup, 25 programmers for doing the work of 10 machines. That is our biggest problem. And I think all our experience, learned, let us think how we can think in this line or try to address this. That's all.
Thank you, Ashok ji. There is no one simple answer for all these things. If anyone wants to add, sir, Vijay bhai, sir, Vijay Saita sir.
Yeah, can I add?
सर गोविंद राजन जी सर बात करने चाहते हैं कुछ.
हाँ, go ahead, sir. Govind Rajan, sir. Govind
Sir,
Rajan
you
ji.
want to say something first? You go ahead. I'll come later.
Okay.
Vijay Setaji, you want to say something?
Hello.
Setaji, I'll speak after you.
या विजय ठाकर जी आप बोलिए सर.
Acha. So basically, what I feel is a lot of these issues will get sorted out if we have a sample case and we learn sample by sample. So let us identify one client whom we want to take on, who has a variety of jobs to be done, and try to put one small group together. It really doesn't matter whether you make a profit, you don't make a profit or anything, but let individuals take care of their responsibilities. Collectively, we have to deliver, and there is the pressure of COSMA on these people to deliver. Let us have one such case. COSMA can even charge a fee for the monitoring. I mean, it is just please think it over. COSMA can charge, I don't know what, 1%, 1.5%, whatever it is. But let COSMA take the lead, because the industry has regard for COSMA. There are individual panel builders, equipment builders who have a lot of regard in the industry, but it is in pockets. It is with some particular clients. Okay, they don't have a spread. Whereas COSMA, with so many people and it's such a large, big organization for such a long time, it has some weight in the industry. So let us identify one project or two projects, put this thing together, and within 2-3 months, 4 months, we'll have some working example and we can go forward with that. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Ji. Vijay bhai, go ahead, sir.
Can I speak, please?
Please go
Yeah,
ahead.
Vijay ji, बोलिए sir.
My opinion, personally, my opinion, that COSMA is a pretty strong platform, and I see people coming together so nicely. So the best thing which I had kind of proposed or kind of talked about was there should be a kind of a panel of about 8 specialists. I can see here specialists like Ramani Saab, Kalesara Saab, Kazi Saab, or Ashok Ji Goyal Saab. So like Mr. Govind Rajan, yes, of course. So this would be the specialist who would know whose capacity is what in COSMA. So if I, supposing, want to join in or something, then I come to this group, okay, like I need some 3 partners or something of that sort. I mean, COSMA already has this data bank. So this particular group of COSMA specialists can also be kind of a guidance, not for any liabilities or anything. Suggestion, okay, these are the 4 people, they can come together or something like this. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Vijay bhai. It is a continuous process. We have to evolve as we go forward, and a lot of transparency has to set in. We have to dig deep and think a lot. All that thing has to happen. And request anybody else to add to this.
Should I come in?
Yes.
Yeah, Sudhir.
Hanumante sir, please go ahead.
Yeah. This is Sudhir Hanumante. See, it is basically we should consider COSMA as a platform. COSMA should act as a facilitator, and COSMA should give us an edge to bid for a bigger project. What Mr. Govindarajan said is also really good. However, I think that unless and until one single party takes the responsibility, customer will not be comfortable to offer us such a big package. So I think COSMA should create the facility like legal and other things, and COSMA should oversee those particular things. However, there will be no responsibility of COSMA when it comes to deliverables or when it comes to any responsibility. This is my view.
Your idea is that not one big person to lead. As a joint venture, you can lead.
Yeah, as a joint venture.
As a joint venture, consortium. What Govind Rajan and then Ashok Bhai also said about that.
Yes, and for making a consortium, yes, we should have some legal arm, and which COSMA should oversee that particular thing. Who will be the party who can be given this particular responsibility?
What I also suggested, let COSMA to find out some legal company who can who have got the expertise on these kinds of forming a consortium. And then if they can give some highlights on the consortium system, perhaps we may try, we can work out to work on some bigger projects. But there are a lot of big projects which are coming, and I know that it is difficult for a single company like maybe a small company to take care of those kinds of a business. Especially these data centers where the requirement of panels is 150 crores. What will you do? 100 crores, 50 crores. So now these kind of a thing for people like us, it would be a difficult job. But if we can create some kind of a small consortium or big consortium, and if we can work between us, and then if we can go to them, perhaps the company will feel, yes, it's a group of people, group of experienced people who can work for us, and then it will be easier for me to take to make one person responsible rather talking to 10 different people on a technical and commercial terms and after sales services and those kind of things. So the COSMA, if we can take those kind of initiative, maybe all other members, if they have anybody who are expert in these kinds of legal working, they can we can invite him to share his knowledge.
Sure, Mr. Sanjeev Lodha please.
Sanjeev Lodha,
good
you want to
morning.
add?
Yeah, good morning, everybody. I am hearing a lot of big things, joint venture, this, that, sharing business with other people, and all those things. I don't know whether how far we can go ahead with that. Secondly, what I'm talking about, we are talking that it's a very, very big platform. But what I feel, and I have been feeling all through, I think I have been a member for the last 10 or 15 years or so. Other than South side, might be Bangalore or Bombay, I don't see any prominence in Northern India where people or panel builders are governed by COSMA. You will have to, spread COSMA's name in North India also. I didn't know about Pyrotech also that they are members. So till now, I was thinking that I am the only member of COSMA in Rajasthan. And probably Pyrotech is the second. Have all the executives ever thought to spread their wings in Rajasthan or North India? Because when you say COSMA, like all of us should be on the COSMA platform. All the panel builders or most of the prominent good panel builders of North India should be the members of COSMA. I don't think it is there like that. Okay. Then COSMA should, and today you have to give credit to your customers. Like earlier it was, advance they were giving. Now they are asking, they are releasing hardly 10% advance or nobody is giving advance. They are asking for financial guarantee for taking advances and all. So why don't we govern some policies from COSMA side for the customers? If it is possible, if we think that we are a very, very big platform, that every COSMA member, COSMA takes a guarantee and they get the advance without giving bank guarantee, because bank guarantee amount, the margin, the commission which is there, it is also a very huge amount which panel builders are not getting these days. Secondly, their payment terms, earlier it used to be against delivery or against performer invoice. Now somebody is writing 30 days, somebody is writing 60 days, somebody is going for 120 days. So customers should have some certain policies, and all the panel manufacturers and their customers, they should follow those rules. Can we make our COSMA so strong? I want the reply of that. Thank you so much.
Sanjeevji, thank you for raising all such queries. But COSMA means we are all COSMA. It is not, COSMA is just a name actually. We are all COSMA. We are all responsible for making it great and stronger. And then I take the example of Ramniji. Ramniji was the first member from Bangalore. He has created about 100 members in Bangalore and he is taking lead there. So similarly, I request Sanjeev Lodha ji, Pratap Singh ji from Rajasthan to take lead, make more members, increase area of influence of COSMA. We have to make a COSMA great. COSMA will not make you great. you act as a president of Cosma and start acting something. That's what my request to you.
So we make PS Talesra as our president for Rajasthan or North India. And
You also,
I
you are
request
both
PS
are
to
president.
PS Talesra.
Each and everyone are, each and everyone is a president of the association, but we have to act in that manner, sir. That's what it is. So it is not Cosma. Cosma is just a word, one word. It is all put collectively, all people put together is a Cosma actually. We all have to contribute to it, sir. So increase membership, definitely we'll have open a chapter in Rajasthan, Delhi also. And one, you take a inspiration from this Virendra Singh ji. He's a Pardes member. I have never met him. Because of this Zoom, we are able to see him. He is a Pardes member. Virendra Singh is there. He is also a member, but he actively comes. He participates in the Alkrama exhibition. He meets us. All that things happen actually. And he's happy to be on the platform also.
Now,
Virendra Singh, you have to add something?
Yes, I want to ask only one thing to ask. Actually, whatever COSMA makes guidelines, there will be many members who will not be COSMA members, who will not be bound by those rules. So when we compete against them, then see, we are trying to make certain rules and regulations, but those guys are not. Suppose for payment, like Sanjeev Lodha ji ne bola, like we are all hard-pressed because of customers imposing a lot of terms and conditions on us. And suppose as a group, we say we are a group and we will adhere to whatever we have decided. But the non-COSMA member, he'll agree to all terms and conditions and he'll grab the order and he'll be just left out. So first of all, I had suggested that at least COSMA should start rating the members, and get more members on board, of course. And then if we spread this message to customers that if you are getting a panel from a 5-star COSMA rated member, then you are assured of certain quality. If you are buying from 1-star, you are getting a certain quality. In fact, I had a discussion about this in the refinery, and they welcomed this because they said now in any tender, 15-20 parties pan-India quote for panels, and they really do not know how to evaluate because many of them are quoting for the first time. They don't even know what product is going to come. So this has become an issue after this e-tendering has come. So people quote from any city and sitting on a computer, they don't even know whether they have a factory. I mean, the customer doesn't even know. So I was suggesting that, and I know that COSMA members cannot go to factories to inspect. They cannot devote that much time. So probably we can take the help of some TPI. And of course, all the charges will be borne by panel builder if he wants to be certified. And we can do some advertisement campaign where we can educate the customers about the COSMA and COSMA rating. Thank you.
Thank you, Virendra. There is only one lady member from Bangalore, that is Arya Srikanta. Do you want to add something to the discussion?
Absolutely, sir.
She is from Vincent here.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah,
you are audible. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm from Vincent Electric. My name is Arya. I think I'm attending this webinar for the first time. Happy to see you all here. I would like to say that whatever Mr. Sriram said, it was very interesting. If we have to portray ourselves as a very big fish, we have to first understand how big a fish are we before somebody sees us. So I would say, first of all, let us map our resources together. I have X number of machines, X number of men who are trained. I have these many people in design. I have this much of software. Put together, all of us can be a real big fish. So I feel sharing our database to the customer as a big chunk, like all of us add our resources and say that we are really big, then our presentation also, when we go as COSMA, somebody should feel that, yeah, they're really big. COSMA has 500 Amida machines. COSMA has 2,000 trained personnel. COSMA has 5,000 people who can do commissioning. So they are really big. Maybe I should go to only COSMA for my requirement. That will be feeling that a customer would get. And talking basically about portraying ourselves as big in an export market, because in India, I feel the lesser people in the value chain, in the supply chain, the customer will be more interested because they feel that there are lesser number of people, and then the cost is also lesser, kind of a thing. So my point is basically portraying ourselves as big enough in an export market.
Thank you, Arya ji. Satish bhai. Satish bhai, now your concluding remarks for this, all these problems and solutions. Your remarks on this.
See, one example I want to give you about consortium are insurance companies. If you insure with, for example, New India for a big project, then they will reassure it with other insurance companies. They distribute the risk. One of our members mentioned about the risk. It's a very valid thing. So that's a great thought to have a consortium. Now, when we form the consortium, we can also form an SPV, Special Purpose Vehicle. That is known as SPV because that is formed only for the purpose of executing that project. For example, L&T has taken metro work in Mumbai. There is a company called STEC. So they call it L&T STEC. There is a special purpose vehicle which is executing this order. It is not being done by either by L&T or by STEC. That special purpose vehicle is called L&T STEC. So COSMA's role can be that how to form a special purpose vehicle and safeguard interests of not only customer but all the people, 3-4 of us joining hands in consortium. So I think COSMA should take initiative to prepare this part, that is how to form an SPV, what are the terms and conditions, what are the individual's responsibilities, what are the individual's privileges. So I think, Sanjeev, we can take lead on that. And then, because today what is happening, any big project abroad, for example, any tender abroad, we cannot participate because it may be beyond my capacity to do it. But if we are really open to form consortiums, we can take big jobs, 50 crores and more, and execute through the consortium. So today's subject, I very much appreciate Anand for creating a lot of think tank on this subject. And I am very glad that our members are participating in that. Those members who are not participated today, they are again welcome to write to Sanjeev their ideas, how to form consortium, whether they are having any reservations, so that, as Govindarajan said, we can start with one trial project as soon as possible, as soon as the lockdown is over. Thank you, everybody.
Anandji.
Thank you. नहीं अभी subject is really been uplifted by everybody. Definitely it's a responsibility of COSMA to keep the gear on and to put it in the next gear. So definitely we'll work out very hard. And let me announce, all these Zoomnars are getting more and more successful every Sunday. And I can tell you, after the Corona also, these Zoomnars will be continued throughout the year. And I will put more and more efforts to have some better subjects and real subjects and ground to earth subjects to help all the COSMA members. So look forward for all the Zoomnars, and don't miss the Zoomnars. Tell other members to join the Zoomnars. Now I think it's a high time to go to Chetan for vote of thanks. Mr. Chetan, please.
Chetan bhai, please.
Vote of thanks is given by you, Satish, by everyone. So nothing is left for me to say for vote of thanks for on that basis. But for this subject, I know Bhutta Sahab was doing the client's job with 3 panel builders with the same rate. From long back, he was doing the same system with 3 panel builders and on the same rate. He doesn't say the client that we are 3 or panel builders are together. The same way you can do it on that way. You can't take a Cosma cluster and take the job from the client like that on that. That is what my suggestion, that you group or make a group for the panel builders, and not like from the Cosma you can take a job. Because if you take a job on a Cosma basis, it will be a long partition. All fights will be in the Cosma members. That is what my suggestion, Anand.
आनंद भाई आपका म्यूट किया है आपके वहां से. हाँ, now you can speak.
Chetan bhai, can you go ahead with the vote of thanks and conclude the meeting?
For your 7th webinar, it's nicely conducted, and every time different subjects by Anand Jayavan. It's a very nice way, and Shriram has concluded very well way. So, and all the members, everyone has participated well. Thank you, everyone.
Okay.
Thank you.
So
Thank
meeting
you.
ended,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Meeting ended.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you all the participants.